what's up guys? I'm here at this shipper here in Scottsboro picking up road roofing materials. I've been here a lot through the years and they are awful getting you loaded. I think I'm getting that stuff. He's getting it one piece at a time. I've been here so far about 4 hours. It's not as bad, 4 hours. I've been there for 6 hours before. It just pays good. The reason that's what draws returning drivers back is the pay. They know that it sucks, so they pay really good, really good. So I'm just waiting to get loaded. Hopefully I get loaded before it gets dark. But yeah, that's just ridiculous how long this takes. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. When I book this load, every time I book this load, I try to mentally prepare myself to know that I'm gonna be here all day. I bring food. I try to relax. But it's you still get pissed, man. It still pisses you off. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here at the receiver. I had picked up that load out of Scottsboro, Alabama on Friday. Today's Tuesday. And here's the situation. It's a mess. So I already got one guy right here that's in front of me, and then there's actually another guy over there that's ahead of us. You probably can't see him through the woods, but he's right over there. But anyway, we got to drive all the way across that street.
The next day.
Okay guys, I'm here in near Mobile, Alabama. I got this little load of bags of stuff. Man, the thing about these things, this load only weighs about 18,000 pounds, but the thing about it is that each one of these pallet weighs 3,000 pounds. That is a lot of weight. 3,000 pounds. But yeah, this goes up to Covington, Georgia on tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. This delivers Thursday. It's got to be tarp, so I got my tarp up there. I'm gonna tarp it and get going. I'm lucky I was able to use my little small tarp. Okay guys, I got it all secured. Ended up using 5 straps on it for legality reasons. Well, that's it. I'm gonna stow my equipment and head on. Like I said, this doesn't deliver till tomorrow. I won't make it today because it's a little late. And then the time zone change in Covington, Georgia. So we'll get it there in the morning. All right guys, I'm here in Columbus, Georgia. Got a nice little oversized load, little crates here. Going out to Hot Springs, Arkansas. Today's Friday, this delivers Monday. Nice paying load, not a bad load at all. Only thing that needs to be covered is the top. These crates are actually empty. Got picked up this morning, about to head out now, so we'll see you Monday. I can't believe there's like a full-blown blizzard out here. This is outside of Birmingham, Alabama. This is crazy weather, man. Crazy weather.